Today I'm going to show you how to make this fireplane Lego set.
Awesome. And what do we start with?
The minifigure.
Okay.
The last thing I need to do is put the sticker on.
Okay. Where does it go?
Right here.
Good job, buddy. It looks great.
Mom, I'm going to show you this water cannon.
There's a water cannon.
Pew! Pew! Hope you like the truck build. Please subscribe. Bye!